Guys, so before you watch my video on this look right here, I have some outfits for you guys. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Tell me if you guys enjoyed this video and tell me which outfit was your favorite one. This is definitely my favorite one. And what else? And yes, make sure you watch the makeup tutorial because this look was banging. And yes, I have a video on this hair. I have too many intros in this video, but I do not care because I was just feeling myself. Anyways, I'm gonna dab out of this video right now. Bye.
Going deep, the beat lord.
Hello there, welcome back to my channel. If you're just watching my video for the very first time, my name is Ijoma Adindu, but you can definitely call me IJ. And if you have been a loyal subscriber, then you guys know that I love you guys so much, and I always appreciate you guys for all the love and the support and all the comments down in my comment section. So today in this video, I am going to be giving you guys a Valentine's Day makeup look because I know a bunch of people have been asking me when I'm gonna drop one. So here it is. I hope you guys like it. I also have a tutorial on how I made this beautiful luscious big hair right here. So if you guys want to see this video as well, I will leave the link somewhere up on the screen so you guys can, you know, check it out and maybe learn one or two things. If you haven't subscribed and you are watching this video, please tell me what you are waiting for. Like, I don't understand. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe. I do not understand, but you can always subscribe because it doesn't cost you anything. It doesn't even cost you your strength. Just subscribe. Thank you in advance. Anyways, I hope you subscribe, like this video, leave comments down below, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now. I don't know why I did the peace sign, but so first I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face, and I'm going to be using the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. Looks just like it's right on my forehead. Like, I don't understand it. My skin is actually going through a lot right now. It's a process, it's a state. Like, I have been breaking out like a crazy person, and I actually haven't really filmed like a makeup tutorial in a while since my last video, like since my last 3-in-1 video. So for foundation, I feel like I have not been faithful to my first love ever. This was my first foundation that I ever fell in love with, and I was thinking of mixing it with my Fenty, or I'll mix it with my NYX because I like the flawless coverage that my NYX foundation gives me. I'm going to just because I don't feel like it, but it's very important to blend all the way to your neck. And then for concealer, slash highlighting, I'm going to be going in with my LA Girl in the shade Fawn, right? No, in the shade Tofia. Set my face with this is my CoverGirl Professional Loose Powder, and I'm going to mix it with the Sasha. So I'm going to be using both to set my face. Now that I'm looking like a masquerade, I'm going to go ahead and jump right into my eyes. First, before I do anything, I'm going to do my brows, and first stage to doing my brows is brushing them into place. So I'm going to just be going in with a spoolie to just brush them out and get them in place and ready for, filling. So I'm going to be using my usual Dip Brow Pomade by Anastasia Beverly Hills. So yeah. I don't really do anything special to my brows. This is about it. But yeah, I told you guys I feel like being extra today, so I'm going to go ahead and use this brown shade from this Smashbox eyeshadow trio. So I'm going to use that dark brown shade right there. I'm hoping you guys can see that, and I'm just going to use that to fill in my brows a little more. Anyways, so now into the eyes. Sorry if the camera shakes a little. I just kicked it with my legs. I kicked the stand. But anyways, now we're moving into the eyes, and I decided to come a bit closer just so you guys can see me, or like see all that I will be doing properly. So yeah, first step would be to conceal and then set with powder. So I'm going to be using the same Toffee Illegal concealer for my lid. When things fall everywhere, and that always happens to me when I'm filming these annoying videos. But yeah, so like my transition color for all my life, and that's the color from my blush palette, that one right there. I hope the flashback isn't too crazy. So I'm going to be taking that, and that's going to be my transition color. So that's the color I'm going to put all over my crease. If it comes out as a red, excuse that. I actually have been using this with a red eyeshadow just to, you know, give me an extra pop. But I know what I'll do. But yeah, this is the color that I want. It's my first transition color. I feel like I should zoom so you guys actually really see this, so that's what I'm going to do. Six music.
Jump on it. It's your show, boy, let's be easy.
It's God's own on the beat.
Everybody finding their own special way. Nobody ugly, na money, na make some fine, make some whoa. When your makeup wash away, sister, better man we go love you, go still day. Sure you go there for me. If I go down, sure you go there for me. Dance galala, shocky make it work for me. Girl, you sure say me and you go get money. Love me now or love me later, it don't matter, as long as I'm making my paper. One way or the other, you will love me now or love me later. It don't matter, as long as I'm rolling my moolah. Baby girl, nothing do ya. Love me, baby. Oh, it ain't my dance for me, no mind I gotta give it them. Now I talk them, sabi them, no sabi dance. You know my head get tororo. Hey, come make this money, no they look face. Maybe you like me.
Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take NYX pigment. I have a bunch of them, but the one I'm going to be using for this look today is called, this is called Vegas Baby, and it looks just like this. And I'm going to be popping this all over my lid, and I'm just going to be using a brush to do that. So I'm just going to be popping it on top of the pink that I did already.
Nobody ugly, na money, na make some fine, make some whoa. When your makeup wash away, sister, better man we go love you, go still day. Girl, you know I got you. Make them doubt. You know I got you, babe. Hey. With me by your side, hope no go catch you. Last busy. Girl, you know I got you. Oh, sure you got me. Sure you go there for me. If I go down, sure you go there for me. Dance galala, shocky make you track for me. Yeah, the short say me and you go get money. Love me now or love me later. It don't matter, as long as I'm making my paper. One way or the other, you go love me now or love me later. It don't matter, as long as I'm rolling my moolah. Baby girl, nothing do ya. Love me now or love me later. It don't matter, as long as I'm making my paper. One way or the other, you go love me now or love me later. It don't matter, as long as I'm rolling my moolah. Baby girl, nothing do ya. Jump.
It's Slim Curls on the mix.
.606 music.
Jump on it. It's your show, boy, let's be easy.
It's God's own on the beat.
Everybody finding their own special way. Nobody ugly, na money, na make some fine, make some whoa. When your makeup wash away, sister, better man we go love you, go still day. Sure you go there for me. If I go down, sure you go there for me. Dance galala, shocky make you twerk for me. Yeah, the short say me and you go get money. Love me now or love me later. It don't matter, as long as I'm making my paper. One way or the other, you will love me now or love me later. It don't matter, as long as I'm rolling my moolah. Baby girl, nothing do ya. Love me, baby. Oh, it ain't my dance for me, no mind I gotta give it them. Now I talk them, sabi them, no sabi dance. You know my head get tororo. Hey, come make we make this money, no they look face. Maybe you like me, them call you.
What did you